Hello friends, today we will discuss how we measure the well-being of an economy. Measuring the well-being of an economy involves assessing various indicators that reflect the overall health and prosperity of a nation. These indicators can be grouped into several categories such as economic performance, social well-being, and environmental sustainability. So, key indicators are: first, gross domestic product, that is also known as GDP. GDP measures the total value of all goods and services produced within a country over a specific period of time. It is often used as a primary indicator of economic activity and growth. But its limitation is also there. While GDP is a useful measure of economic performance, it does not account for income inequality, environmental degradation, or overall well-being. Second is unemployment rate. The unemployment rate measures the percentage of the labor force that is unemployed and actively seeking work. It reflects the economy's ability to create jobs. Its limitations are it does not capture the underemployment or quality of the jobs available. Third is inflation rate. Inflation measures the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services are rising. Moderate inflation is considered good and normal, but high inflation can erode purchasing power and economic stability. Limitations are inflation may not accurately reflect the cost of living changes for all income groups. Next is income distribution, that is Gini coefficient. The Gini coefficient measures the income inequality within a population. A lower Gini coefficient indicates more equal distribution of income, while a higher coefficient suggests greater inequality. Its limitation: it provides a snapshot of income distribution but does not address the root cause of inequality. Then comes Human Development Index, that is HDI. The HDI is a composite index that measures a country's average achievements in three basic aspects of human development, which are life expectancy, education, and per capita income. It provides a broader perspective on well-being beyond economic performance alone. So its limitations are HDI may overlook factors like environmental sustainability and social stability. Then comes poverty rate. The poverty rate measures the percentage of the population living below the national poverty line. It reflects the extent of economic hardship within a society. Poverty rates may not capture the full extent of deprivation, that is the limitation, such as access to healthcare, education, and social services. Then comes environmental sustainability indicators. Indicators like carbon emission, renewable energy usage, and natural resource depletion measure the environmental impact of economic activities. Sustainable economic well-being requires balancing growth with environmental protection. So its limitation is these indicators are often overlooked in traditional economic assessment. Then comes social indicators, which include health and education. Social indicators like life expectancy, literacy rates, and access to health care and education are crucial for assessing the overall well-being of a population. Its limitations are these indicators may vary widely within different regions of the same country. Then comes net national happiness, which is known as NNH. NNH is an alternative measure used by some countries like Bhutan, which evaluates the collective happiness and well-being of a population taking into account economic, social, and environmental factors. Its limitation: it is subjective and difficult to measure quantitatively. Current account balance is the next point. The current account balance measures a country's trade balance, including goods, services, income, and current transfers. A surplus indicates a country is a net lender, while a deficit suggests that it is a net borrower. Its limitation: a surplus or deficit can have both positive and negative implications depending on the context. These indicators, when analyzed together, provide a more comprehensive understanding of the well being of a country. They help policymakers and analysts to assess economic performance, social progress, and environmental sustainability, which are all critical for long term prosperity of a nation. Thank you.